Alright guys, welcome back. It's LSP. It's currently the 4th of May 2020. If you find value in the videos that I'm posting, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share it if you can. It all helps, and I'd really appreciate it, guys, as we're slowly growing. Well, I say, yeah, it is slowly. Slowly growing the the trading community. I like to grow things organically. I'm not interested in advertising and stuff. This is, I only want people here that want to be here, basically. So, with all of that said, I posted a video previously about a pound USD. Not a very long one, about 3 minutes or so, going over some high time frame ideas. 127.25 level, which is where I'm expecting the pound USD to want to go to. It needs to go up there to rebalance, before it continues lower, which is what I'm expecting for a long term view. Going back down into the 1985 or the level that was created back in 1985. But this doesn't mean that we can't take advantage, of intraday volatility. And as you can see, I've got a trade open here. It's currently sitting at +1, and I'm quite happy to just let it do its thing now. I'm slowly easing my way back into trading at the minute, because obviously when all of this coronavirus stuff started, we have these kind of transfer of wealth, as we call them. Bullshit crashes, which, if you look at the monthly charts of most pairs, most asset classes, stocks, it really doesn't make a difference, indices and so on, you'll find that in almost all cases, price went up, price went down, and then pretty much finished neutral, for that particular month. So that's a very good indication that it's nothing more than a transfer of wealth. But being able to see that before it happens is the key. Or is key. So yeah, like I said, intraday volatility plays. These are bread and butter bread and butter plays. Where you can comfortably scalp 20-30 pips. And then just take a step back. It is non-farm week this week, so I know as a general rule of thumb, most of the volatility is going to happen sort of early in the week, slow down by Thursday, potentially have some movement on Friday when some of the numbers are released. We've also got, as I mentioned in the previous video, the official bank rate for the pound USD on Wednesday, so be mindful of that as well. But I think we get a nice little drop into the 124 handle to start the week, but regardless of whatever happens now, I'm sitting on a break-even trade. I'm happy with that, and I am currently looking at gold as well. I took a small position on gold. I'm expecting gold to have a nice little run up into that 1800 level. I've been talking about this for a very long time now, and if you take a look at the monthly chart of gold, over at Patreon, we have this kind of running theme. We've coined these wicks that are fake, so to speak, as gold wicks now, and that's just something that we're kind of carrying forward. But it's more of a running joke, really. But gold, for me, is pretty stable going up into the 1800s, where I'm then going to be looking to potentially fade a move. Not trade advice, studies, guys. I keep saying this. I don't, I'm not licensed to give trade advice, as I've said many times, but the idea is, to take advantage of some of these levels that I'm talking about in terms of study, to help with your trading, and to push things along in your own, personal studies. And in the meantime, obviously, I'll continue, to post as much content as I can. And I will try to keep these videos short and brief. I was looking at the analytics on YouTube, and a lot of people, from a percentage point of view, don't really get past 3 or 4 minutes, in terms of the video. So I'm going to do my best to just try and keep the videos down to around about sort of 3 to 4 minutes in length, possibly 5 minutes, and then we'll see how we get on. So as always, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to listen. I hope you're finding value in what I'm showing, and again, I'm going to do my best to to post as many videos as I can, and keep on top of things. So take care, and I will speak to you soon.